Well, hello, and welcome back to Visibility Hacker Radio. Today, we're delving into the world of user-generated content again, and talking about how it can be a powerful marketing tool for businesses of all sizes. It's important to note that implementing user-generated content will look different for every business, and today, we'll be highlighting some examples of those differences.
Welcome to Visibility Hacking Radio, where we empower visionary leaders to amplify their message, ignite their mission, and unleash their movement. Are you ready to create a lasting impact and reach new heights? Let's dive in. Hosted by Toronto's own Molle, a seasoned expert in out-of-the-box branding for visionary leaders, Visibility Hacking Radio brings you valuable insights, powerful strategies, and actionable tips from leading experts and entrepreneurs. Get ready to be inspired, informed, and transformed as we dive into today's episode of Visibility Hacking Radio. Amplify your message, ignite your mission, and unleash your movement.
In case you're unfamiliar with the term, UGC, or user-generated content, is a content that's created and shared by users of a particular product or service rather than being shared by the company itself. This can include reviews, testimonials, social media posts, blog posts, and more. You might be wondering why user-generated content is important when you already have your own marketing content. Well, the answer is pretty simple. User-generated content adds authenticity and credibility to your brand. It helps build trust and encourages potential customers to make a purchase when they see other people using and enjoying your product. Additionally, it can be more relatable and engaging than traditional marketing content because it comes from real people with similar experiences and similar interests. But user-generated content doesn't just benefit brand credibility and engagement, it can also drive traffic and sales to your business. By sharing user-generated content on your social channels, you can expose your brand to a wider audience and potentially attract new customers. User-generated content can also help increase your search engine rankings, and because search engines prioritize fresh and relevant content. And overall, implementing user-generated content requires a unique approach for each business. So let's explore some examples of how you can incorporate user-generated content into your brand. You want to know how to use it to promote your brand? Well, here are some simple steps to follow. First up, set up a branded hashtag for your customers to use when sharing content related to your product or service. This will make it easier for you to find and share their content. Secondly, encourage your customers to leave reviews and testimonials on your website or on your social media channels. You can do this by including a call to action on your website or sending a follow-up email after a purchase. Consider offering incentives, such as discounts or special offers, for customers who share their experience with your brand. This can help to encourage more people to share their content. You can also monitor your social media channels and websites for user-generated content. When you find content that you like, you can share it on your own channels and give credit to the original creator. Make sure that you also respond to user-generated content in a timely manner. If someone leaves a positive review, thank them for their feedback. And if someone leaves you a negative review, address their concerns and try to resolve that issue. By following these steps, you can leverage the power of user-generated content to promote your brand and drive traffic and sales to your business. But don't just take my word for it. Start talking to your customers and encouraging them to share their experiences with your brand. You might be surprised at the impact it can have on your business. Well, thanks, my friends, for tuning in, and I hope this episode has inspired you to start using user-generated content to promote your brand with confidence.
Another fantastic episode of Visibility Hacking Radio comes to a close. We hope you've gained valuable insights and tools to help you on your journey to greater success. Stay informed and ahead of the curve by subscribing to our newsletter at visibilityhacking.com/newsletter. You'll receive the latest news, updates, and exclusive content to support your message, mission, and movement. And remember to subscribe, rate, and review the podcast. Until next time, be excellent to each other.